There we go.
Okay, so Dale and I are going to practice copy and paste. So first of all, Dale, go to your Facebook Messenger, because that's the easiest way to send your link to somebody. And go to my chat in your Facebook Messenger, because I'm the one that sent you the link.
Okay, I've got to find Facebook Messenger because it's kind of hidden, seems like.
Yeah, that's the lightning bolt. But you can get there if you go to Facebook first, if you can't find it.
Messenger. It's got to be here somewhere.
Facebook, look for Facebook.
Well, okay. Okay, I clicked on Facebook.
Now look for the lightning bolt for the messenger.
Okay, I clicked on that.
Now you should see my picture on one of your
I do.
conversations.
Yeah. Want me to tap it?
Yep.
Okay.
Now you see your link for
I
this
see.
for Smart Sip Coffee. You might have to scroll up because we've done some texting back and forth or some messaging back and forth.
Well, what comes up right away is have a cup of life with Dale Smart Sip Coffee.
Well,
But under that,
isn't that something you'd want to send to somebody?
I think so. But under that is, it shows up again with a blue box around it.
I sent it to you, and then you were practicing and you sent it back to me. So you'll have it there more than once.
Okay.
You just have to
So,
scroll up to one of them. And as long as it says, have a cup of life,
mhm.
there's
Tap it.
there's no, there's
No.
a sideways V
Oh,
next
yeah.
to it. You tap the sideways V
Yeah.
and you
And
can,
then send it to you,
I'm
or I
just,
can send it. You know,
I don't
people.
want you to send it to anybody, but
Okay.
that's how you can send it to any of your Facebook friends.
Gotcha. Okay.
And you can probably send 6 at a time, 5 or 6 at a time, something like that.
Okay.
So that's the first way to share your link. So as soon as you hit send, they'll get it and they'll be notified that Dale sent you a message. Okay, so
Mhm.
you go, that's how you find the link in Facebook Messenger. You have to go to
Mhm.
my thread, and then the sideways V next to the message you want to share. You
Mhm.
click on that, and then you'll see all your friends, and all you have to do is hit send, and they'll get it. Now,
Okay.
you might have talked to them and said, I'm going to send you this. Or you might have, you know, texted back and forth and they said, yeah, I want to try it or whatever. But that's how they start getting into Dale's coffee mousetrap. Okay. So the second way is if you're going to text them, because not everybody you want to send this to is a Facebook friend. So get out of Facebook, get out of everything.
Okay.
And you're going to go to your address book. So you're going to send it to someone who's in your address book.
Okay.
So you're going to go to my name in the address book.
I'm there.
You click on my name.
Click on your name.
or my text thread, like you're going to text me.
Okay, I've done it.
And you should see have a cup of life in my text messages.
Yes. It's just under the clock. Have a
Yeah.
cup of life.
Yeah. So you're going to have to, excuse me, you're going to have to copy it. And then you're going to have to find who you want to paste it to and then paste it. So press on the message to copy it.
Mm-hmm.
And
It
hit,
turned blue. Blue background.
do you see the word copy? Or no, you have two pieces of paper on top of each other.
Yeah, it's the top of the screen.
Hit the two pieces of paper.
I did. Now
Now,
it says, I think it said briefly copied to clipboard.
that's perfect because now it's there ready to paste to whoever or wherever you want to paste it. So let's say you want to paste it to, I don't know, have you talked to Stephen Ledbetter about the coffee?
No.
Okay, so go
Now
back to,
when it said that, it just said it for a second or two and then it disappeared.
yeah, that's all right.
But
It's
the
still
link is
there.
still here.
Yeah, so you're going to go to back to the address book and you're going to find Stephen Ledbetter and text him.
Okay. I think I think he told me a few days ago, very recently, that they don't drink a lot of coffee.
We're not trying to sell him coffee. We're just trying to see if you can text this dude.
I understand. Steven. Here we go. Click his name.
Click his name and then the text message.
Uh, you mean
Well,
click on what I would click if I was going to if I was going to write something to him.
yes,
Okay, I did.
in the box where you would write the text, just press and you should
Okay,
see the word paste come up.
I see it.
Hit
Now
paste
tap paste.
and now
So
send it.
now it says autofill. Well, I'll just send. Well,
When you hit paste, do you see your enjoy have a cup of life with Dale?
uh, no, I don't.
Ooh. Okay, let's try it again, maybe. I don't
Okay,
know. You opened up, so you're still in Steven's messages, right?
I would guess so. It's I'm highlighted, or I got a flashing vertical line down there where I would write something,
Yeah, right next to the vertical line, press, and then lift up.
and it says paste again.
Yeah, hit paste again.
Okay, now it says have a cup of life with Dale's.
Good. Now hit send, and it'll go to him.
Um, well, oh, okay. There it is. Okay, it's sent.
Good. So you got two ways of sending your link to somebody from your phone. All righty, and you did it. Good job.
Well, refresh me on what the two ways are.
Well, I just videotaped it, so you'll have a whole video.
Oh,
But one was from Facebook Messenger, and one
Okay.
was from your text messages.
Oh,
Now in Facebook Messenger, you hit the sideways V next to the message,
okay.
and all you have to do is find the name in the list. But from the text, you don't have the same people in your Facebook Messenger as you have in your address book sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
So if there's someone in your address book that's not a Facebook friend, then you would have to text them the link. And so that's the second way. When you press on the message, you hit the two pieces of paper that copies it to your clipboard. Then you find the person in your messenger, in your address book, sorry, and then open up a text to send them a new text message, and you press right next to that blinking line, and then you hit paste, and then you send.
Okay.
That's it.
Now, something else I want to be learning how to send to a lot of people
Okay, hold
is,
on, hold on, hold on.
mhm.
I'm gonna stop this recording, and then we can talk about whatever you want to talk about next.
Okay.